Hello, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And today we're gonna have a different reaction video, at least something I haven't done before. And this video was sent to me, and I was just asked to do it. It has Johnny Depp in it, and it says it's not a movie. It says court case. It's like court case about what? It's with his wife, ex-wife, and yeah, Amber Heard. And quite frankly, I don't really care about any of it. It's their personal business. I don't even know why it's all on TV and everything, right? However, since it's on TV, people want me to react to it, and I will be. And so let's check it out. And the video we're going to be checking out today, it's called Extremely Satisfying. Johnny Depp's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, catches Amber Heard lying multiple times. Not one, not two, not three, not four, multiple times. So let's see how it is. Did she really lie that many times? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1.
You settled your divorce from Mr. Depp in August of 2016. You, quote, wanted nothing.
That is correct.
You received $7 million. You claimed
$7
you'd be
million.
donating the entire $7 million to charity, right? But you hadn't donated your entire $7 million at that point, had you?
It's incorrect.
I pledged the entirety
Of the settlement, $7
that's
million
not my
to
question.
charity.
$7 million?
and I
Miss
fulfill
Heard.
those obligations.
Miss Heard.
What? She didn't even donate it?
What was
Try
your
to answer
question?
my question.
Liar. She was just saying she's going to donate it, but never did. Did she?
Sitting here today, you have not donated, not pledged, the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation
That's not the same
synonymously.
But I
thing?
Same
don't.
thing.
Miss Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
That's how donations are paid.
How
Ms.
dumb
Heard,
is she?
Respectfully, that's not my question. As of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU. Yes or no?
I have not yet.
She
You
hasn't.
have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not
Oh,
yet.
she
Trying to
didn't do
sue me.
that. Oh,
So as of today,
So none of this-
you have not donated, paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity,
nothing at
right?
all.
I have not been able to fulfill the obligations yet.
And that's because you did want something, didn't you?
I didn't want anything and I didn't get anything.
You wanted Mr. Depp's money. You took this photograph, right, Miss Heard?
That's correct.
You took this picture as well.
She
Yes.
wanted his
You also
cash.
took this picture, right, Miss Heard?
That's correct. I did.
You seem to really like taking pictures of Mr. Depp while he's sleeping, don't you?
Yeah, what's wrong
I
with her?
hated it. I hated it.
Okay.
You took this picture of Mr. Depp as well, didn't you?
I
You
did.
sent this picture to one of your friends, didn't you?
I don't
Whatever.
recall.
If we could please pull up Defendant's Exhibit 252.
Yes, I was asking for support.
There's no question yet, Ms. Heard. You wrote, quote, "This is what I've been dealing with," end quote. This is you supporting Mr. Depp.
This is me getting support from my best friend. I also need support.
You weren't afraid the monster would get upset that you took this picture? Is there something amusing about kicking a door into your husband's head? You even roll your eyes at one point. Is there something amusing to you about punching your husband in the jaw?
That is not what I was smiling about, and no, I do not think it's amusing.
Okay, I'm sorry. I never even addressed it. He was just very dramatic.
Aquaman.
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman,
This I
didn't he?
remember.
Excuse me?
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
No, Miss Vasquez, I
He
got
did.
myself that role by auditioning.
I was trying to reach him so that he finds out about the
Yeah.
divorce filing from some other source other than TMC. He was alerted.
Slipped up there, didn't you, Miss Heard? You let it slip out that TMZ had been alerted to your filing of the domestic violence restraining order, didn't you?
I disagree. That's not what I'm talking about.
So TMZ was just lucky in getting the inside scoop to your divorce from Mr. Depp, huh?
I have no idea. That's not my area of expertise. I wouldn't even know how to do that. If I wanted to leak things about Johnny, I could have done that in a much more successful way, in a bigger way, for years.
Not
and
when you
years.
were extorting him for $7 million.
I got a fraction of what I was entitled to in the state of California, by the way. What extortion?
You will not see my eyes again.
You know exactly why Mr. Depp won't look back at you, don't you?
I do.
He promised you would never see his eyes again after you had publicly accused him of domestic violence, after you had obtained the domestic violence restraining order against him.
That's correct.
Ms. Vasquez played a tape in which Mr. Depp said, "You will not see my eyes again." Do you recall that?
I do.
Tell the jury why.
He's guilty. He knows he's lying.
Otherwise, why can't he look at me? I survived.
I survived that man, and I'm here, and I'm able to look at him.
Thank you.
See what the jury and judge think. Tell the world, Johnny Depp, man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence, and it's a fair fight. And see how many people believe or side with you.
That's your voice on that recording, right?
Yes, it is. I was saying it to the man who beat me up, yes.
And the man you beat up numerous times. Right, Miss Heard?
I could never hurt Johnny.
And I swung at him.
That's what I thought.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Mr. Depp wears rings on every finger, doesn't he, Miss Heard?
That's my experience, yes.
And they're not delicate rings, are they?
No, they are not.
Heard? So he hit you with rings on every finger?
I don't know if I've ever known Johnny to not wear rings.
Yeah.
He hit you in the face so many times that you don't remember. There's no injuries to your face in this picture, are there?
Not that this picture shows.
You don't have any visible injuries to your face, do you?
None that you can see.
Even though Mr. Depp whacked you in the face so hard that your nose bled?
When you get hit by the ring, you see
did.
marks.
While wearing chunky, big rings, right?
That's correct.
This is a picture of you and Mr. Depp the night after Mr.
something
Depp
here.
allegedly whacked you in the face so hard you thought he had broken your nose.
He did whack me in the face, and I did think it broke my nose.
Your nose doesn't appear to be injured in any of these pictures, does it, Miss Heard?
That's why I'm wearing makeup.
And makeup covers up swelling, right?
Makeup will not cover up swelling. Ice will, though.
Ice will cover up swelling?
Doesn't.
Ice reduces swelling. Normally, the swelling after that kind of injury is not as bad as you might imagine, and for me, it wasn't that bad.
This is you and Mr. Depp at the Mordecai premiere?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is.
You told this jury that on this occasion, Mr. Depp was kneeling on your back.
That's correct.
You would agree that there are no bruises or visible marks on your back in this picture.
Not that I could see. I do not know when James came over.
Okay, let's remind you.
Wait. Evidence.
Testified that you reviewed a number of hashtags that you deemed negative towards Miss Heard.
Yes.
This is for Johnny Depp. Amber Heard is an abuser, and the last one was Amber Turd, right?
That is another one.
Okay.
Johnny, this is crazy. Don't do this. I didn't want to hurt him. I loved him. I loved him so much. Didn't want this to go to a prosecutor. I didn't want this to hurt Johnny. I don't want this to hurt Johnny. Don't want to call myself a victim. I don't want anything from him. Just don't call me a liar. It's all I said. Just don't call me a liar. Just don't say this isn't real.
Meanwhile. Montage.
Thank you! Are you dating Johnny Depp?
Be the Captain Jack Sparrow.
He's still around somewhere. I'll see him.
Hey, don't forget his jar of dirt in the mega pint. Love you, Johnny.
Yeah, really, I don't care about the case. I really don't. And I don't know what went on, but I know about her, like what she had said back in like 2015, 2016, whenever it was. I remember that was on TV and everything. And obviously, celeb news, they get shown over and over and over again. So we've seen it before, and I... oh man, this had been dragging on for such a long time. Wow. But yeah, I don't know what went on, so I can't take any side. However, obviously the way this video was cut and everything, it looked funny to me, and I liked the lawyer and the questions she asked and everything. It was good. And I have to actually see the video from the other side as well. Would be interesting to see. Probably like it's gonna be like a dramatic video, as like with Johnny Depp being like this crazy guy and everything. And who knows if he's crazy or not? Who knows? But thing is just I didn't see like the way she was talking about how there were injuries and all of that. I didn't see any. And also like with that incident with she got punched in the face. You know, when you get punched with rings and everything, you get marks on your nose and wherever you're hitting, right? If it's actually a hard punch, you will, even a slight punch, you will see marks. So I don't know where she's coming from and that she doesn't have marks. But like, hey, she was in a Marvel movie, right? Who knows? Maybe she has superpowers. But really, there's actually there's going to be another video somewhere, right? Which shows the other side as well. Because I'm curious, because I like to know both sides, where both are coming from. And yeah, all I know is this case has gotten a lot of media attention, while other things are going on in the world, such as the war, such as food price going up, such as a lot of things, the price going up, like gas prices and everything. So we should talk about that as well, right? But meanwhile, we have this court case that people are watching, and yeah. It happens every single time. Every single time there's a distraction. You won't see it just over here in the US or anything. In every country you see it. You see something major happening, and that you get distracted from that with some other news which is not even that important, you know, to your life. Or how important is your life, like depending on like this case doesn't matter like towards your life unless you have like a bet on like who's going to win the case, or if you're the lawyer on either side, or if you're but like it doesn't really affect your life, and you're wasting time by watching it, and you're just making money for those TV channels, right? But then hey, this is not the first court case or anything. We have seen a lot of other court cases on TV before, and another famous one back from this was like before I even like started paying attention to TV or anything, or I watched TV. It was like from the 90s, I believe, because like they kept talking about it later on as well. It was that court case with a guy getting beat up by 5-6 cops, and then like there was one guy who videotaped it, and that came out, and that the cops were beating him up. And that became a court trial. I forgot who the person was, but that. And then you had this other football player who did a murder, and then the court case was like a black and white. And then the court case, it was just, if I remember correctly, there was a glove, and the glove they had found, it didn't fit his hand, so he tried to put it on, like oh, it doesn't fit, and oh yeah. You know, I don't know what to say. You know, like when I see these court trials, I don't even know how much is real and how much is not. Sometimes it's like with the glove situation with that one. I forget who it was. Oh yeah, OJ was the one who had that glove situation. So even that, I just know a lot of money gets made with these court cases, because like when people tune in, they are hooked onto it, and they keep watching it over and over and over again, and they keep watching like the same episode, or like then they have to come back for the next episode, because they're going to talk about what's happening for another 5-10 minutes, and the show is going to be 1 hour with like 20 minutes of commercial, and then yeah, in between there's the court case or whatever it is. And yeah, that was all. And you know what the thing is, I'm not a big fan of doing these episodes as much. I really don't care. Just like this court case, I really don't care. I just had to do it because like I got requested to do this, and yeah, you know, I like my movie songs. I like my reaction videos for Got Talent and all that for this channel. Even for court cases, there is another channel, but I don't do reaction videos. It's just there as like news report kind of thing. And yeah, that's where I have this case, but like I don't, there's someone else who posts the videos for me as well. Like I don't have to watch any of the videos. So for this one I was told, hey, check it out, do a reaction video just for fun, see how it is. So yeah, here we go, here we did. We had a reaction video for Johnny Depp's court case. And yeah, let me know how it is, alright? If it's good, I will do more. If not, I will leave it right here, alright? Have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.